The two-legged pullback indicator for ThinkOrSwim. This indicator keeps track and counts every leg. As you can see, below the candles is a count for the bull legs, and above the candles is a count for the bear legs. It also identifies the type of each leg. The dark red and dark green numbers represent second entries. The light green and light red numbers represent 2 or more pullbacks. The magenta bubbles mark traps, and the gray bubbles mark first entries and first pullbacks. The two-legged pullback does not tell you the upcoming leg count or leg type. Also, one more thing to note, the two-legged pullback indicator for ThinkOrSwim does not have any type of alerts as well.